Welcome back, folks. Today in the kitchen, Lucy and I are going to be making Cajun chicken drumsticks. Nice crispy skin. Lovely.
Yay!
Right, Lucy, I need you, because you've got the gloves on.
Yeah.
Take a drumstick out. Pat it dry with the other hand. I can't hold. There you go. Pat it dry. Put it on there. Next one.
I can't get it out.
Why are you so scared of raw meat?
I don't like it.
Next one. You need a drier piece. Not like Minecraft, is it?
Nom 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 nom.
Okay, I'm just going to quickly swirl that out and dry it off. Okay, so we're going to put all the chicken back in the bowl now and we're going to pour all the ingredients over the top.
Okay, I only just got them out.
So yeah, we needed to dry them, didn't we? Take the moisture off. Start grabbing the ingredients then. See if you can guess what they are.
Olive oil.
Yep. Pour it in. Smell it.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Oh.
Garlic granules.
Is it paprika?
It is. Paprika. I can't say it. Paprika. Paprika. Pap.
It smells like bolognese.
Bolognese? No.
Oh.
This one's got spice to it.
Is it onions?
What did I say the video was going to be?
Spice.
Spicy
I can't remember. Cajun.
Cajun. There you go. And what's the last one there? There's two.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah, there we go. Straight in.
And then vinegar.
No, keep the vinegar until after. That's more to finish it off. Why do they call them drumsticks?
Because you beat them with a
Drumsticks aren't that shape though, are they?
Okay.
These are a few days old. This one's gone really crinkly and it's shriveled up. It's going soft already. If anyone's got any tips on how to keep peppers fresh, let me know in the comments. Do you want to have a go at cutting a pepper?
Yeah.
There's a couple of ways you can do peppers. You can push the middle out with your thumb, but then most of the seeds break off inside.
Do you want the seeds?
No. What I tend to do is just cut them straight down. Don't get as many seeds then. Do you think you can try and do that?
So like that?
Yep. You won't need much pressure. There you go. Remember to keep your fingers out of the way.
There's barely any in this.
Oh, that's okay then. I'll try some. Crunchy. Peppers are nice. No?
I only like them when they're cooked.
Oh, we're going to cook them anyway. These will be cooked with the chicken. Do you want to do these?
Okay.
So easy, just keep your fingers out of the way, run your knife through it. I know you're a lefty, aren't you? Strange child. 1 centimetre chunks, please, sous chef. And don't, if you do it the way I was just, that's it. And it'll just glide straight through, just keep your fingers out of the way. Because it'll glide straight through your finger as well. Again, same approach with this one, doing all the prep first and then over to the oven. onion.
It fell apart. Spiral.
Okay, I'm going to go and heat the pan up now, get it nice and hot, and then put the chicken in the pan. Right, we're just going to make a little chicken stock and put some hot water in a jug, and then Lucy's going to crumble an oxo cube in.
Oops.
I'll start to mash it with that now. Hold on to it with one hand. There you go.
I got it in the whisk.
Whisk it for a biscuit. How you getting on?
I can't see it anymore.
Okay, that's done then. Right, we'll set that aside for later. We don't need it straight away. Okay, so this pan's been warming up. I'm going to put some olive oil in now. Do you want to do the water test first, see if the pan's hot enough? Hot enough. Chicken in then, pour it away from yourself. And we're going to leave them in there for a good 5 minutes untouched. Okay, so the chicken's been in there for about 5 minutes now. I'm just going to rotate them. So turn them over, should be nice and crispy on one side. We're looking for a nice char. Oh yes. Turn them all over, that's it. But now that we've got plenty of heat in the pan, we can reduce the heat slightly. Is it tingling your nose, Lucy?
No.
So what we were after was a nice char on the chicken, as you can see. That's charred lovely. Okay, now they've been turned, we're going to leave them in the pan for another 5 minutes. Okay, that's had around another 4 minutes now. We're going to take it out, set it in a bowl, reduce the heat right down. Now these aren't cooked yet, so don't reuse this bowl. Okay, Lucy, onions, peppers, please, into the pan. Come on, just throw them in. We'll let those soften slightly, and then we'll put in the chicken stock, add the garlic, and the chicken will go back in for another 10 minutes. Smoke off the Cajun really hits you at the back of the nose, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Our peppers and onion are taking on all that flavour from the Cajun now in the chicken. Okay, throw the garlic in. Give that a minute or two, and then we'll go in with the stock. Okay, time for the chicken stock. That helped to deglaze the pan as well, so go back in with the chicken now. Bring the temperature back up slightly. We'll put a lid on this and leave it for 10 minutes. Let that simmer away now for another 10 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to go in with white wine vinegar now, just to give it a little lift. Only a teaspoon. Ready? Still eating?
Mhm.
What are you eating?
Some bread.
With?
Balsamic vinegar.
Nice. Right, the chicken's done now. I'm going to bring the pan over and we'll plate it up. Oh, it's so tender, it's falling off the bone. A little bit of a gravy in the bottom. Just over the chicken. Oh, I don't know why I'm whispering. Seems like a very delicate moment. Think it's too hot to eat yet?
Yeah. Wait,
I don't.
Scenes behind. You did that this morning as well, didn't you?
Oh, it's burning fingers. Oh my goodness, that's delicious.
Is it hot?
Oh yeah, very hot, very nice. I can't wait.
Oh yeah. I know what to do whilst it cools off. Dance battles.
Dance battles?
Yeah.
No thanks.
Why not?
Oh. Oh, that is amazing. It's so juicy, and then the skin's kind of crispy, and it's got the perfect amount of seasoning on. I mean, that chicken's just falling off the bone. Just pull it off, stick it on a bit of bread, on a wrap, whatever you want. Just eat it with your fingers, just pull it apart when it cools down. Any way it goes down, it's going to be delicious. Well, hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, do us a favour, hit that like button, leave a comment, share it with someone, and subscribe for more content in the future.
Like and subscribe.
Catch you in the next one.